Hello, my name is Tamara Retamal and I am a student of ESP 2013, section 15. My teacher is Paula Guerrero and this video is about describing and comparing tourist descriptions that I choose for my first evaluation. I choose Colbún Landscape and Seven Caps National Park. Well, beginning, the kind of holiday that I choose is rural tourism. Tourists today prefer going out to places that show them excellent, comfortable, and relaxed. Also, they prefer walking and sightseeing and experience this experience. For this image is people that dedicated to rural tourism, and this image is Seven Caps National Park. Seven Caps National Park is located in the region of Maule, in commune of Molina. In this place, we found fauna like the pudu, and among the birds, the tricahue and the condor stand out. About flora, we found the rauli or oak, coihue, and maiten. Among other species are present. This is a trail interpretative, and this is a tricahue. Colbún Landscape Rally. Colbún has many activities around the lake with the same name. Also has spa tourism through thermal resorts in Panimávida and Quinamávida. Another characteristic element of this place is the horse hair. In Spanish, it's said crin de caballo. This is crin de caballo. And this is unique in the world or of the world. About the statistic, region of Maule had a total of 206,165 arrivals to accommodation service during the year 2013, composed of 94% inbound tourism and only 6% of outbound tourism. But this graphic is natural sites or maybe attractive touristics we find in region of Maule. Folklore or folklore represents 14% in region of Maule, for example. And also we find maybe one difference. Colbún has 16 tourist accommodation than Curicó, which has 20 tourist accommodation. Colbún has registered craft shops in Cernatur compared or than to Curicó, which has one. And similarities, both nature tourism and adventure tour and gastronomy tourism and cultural tourism. Both receive senior visitors, both receive visitors for study tours and family vacations. Thank you.